Now this is an interesting car I saw at the car show. It's said to be a VIP demo for Chrysler back in 1970. It's a real TA Challenger. It's an automatic. It's got the original drivetrain, engine, transmission, and a rear end. But the weirdest thing is it's one of it's the only one known to have power windows. It being a VIP demo would pretty much explain the power windows. It also has some other rare options on it. It has a rocker panel trim. Also has the rim below steering wheel, as you can see. And also has AM/FM multiplex stereo, which is not usually ordered on a TA. It's supposed to be not a luxury car, pretty much a street legal road car. But this one was also ordered with the rear defogger, something I've never seen on a TA car. As you can see, it still has a space saver, spare in the trunk, all the markings. I mean, this car was clean top to bottom. The owner says he doesn't drive it much. Sometimes he drives it to and from shows that are less than 20 miles, I think is what he said. But the underside is just as clean as the top. So I'm sure it doesn't get any very little wear and tear. The white interior is nice and crisp. It says this car has been with the same owner since 1978, and it was fully restored in 2015. It's one of 1,410 automatics, and it's just a clean car. Both fender tags, fully documented, power brakes. It's the real deal. Love the color.